Oh gosh.
A subscriber. That chick Lila drop a tune called Where I'm Coming From. And dog me a try tell her say yo, the thing turn up. And me a say we no big up the female artist them like how we big up the male artist. And a time for we do that. Cause here that thing you dep on flame meds.
Thankful for the blessings that are falling on my table. Learning all my lessons, now I'm willing and I'm able to do just what I can. As humble as a lamb, working towards a goal, and we give thanks for helping hands.
You a subscriber, and no for we no give thanks for the blessing where we get. But you see, when you get to youth and want reach pan it up, you have to work for that. When you get to youth and want reach pan it up, you have to study the craft. And when you get a helping and take it, but give thanks. Here we are gonna run the end shot. Walk with me.
Length and peace of mind, good people and good vibes. We give thanks every time, in every single line. Even if it no rhyme, I go sing redemption songs with the
viewer subscriber. Hear that part that we want on meds. Lila say yo, the first thing she do, she asks God for health and strength, life and peace of mind. Good people and good vibes through every single line, even if it no rhyme. A redemption song she a sing. So right away there's a dog she a make you know say yo, I not just yes so the thing done. You see me? And at that me a try tell ghetto youth them say yo, when you no want certain things you no have to work for that dog. When you no want certain things you no have to hold up on your head. When you no want certain things you no have to give God thanks. And give God thanks for the people them where they around you. Because enough people they around you don't want to see you go up. Them always want to see you go down. Meds.
Look at where I'm coming from. Looking back at where the journey began. I really have to say that I'm strong.
Viewer subscriber. Lila say yeah me know she know where she a come from. She know where she a go. And she know where she want. And you see them 3 key point the dog are valuable things. You see me? She say right now she know say she's a little chica come straight out of the Gideon. She knows say yo, mama never got it, papa never got it, auntie never got it, granny never got it. But she know what she want and she stay focused and she make sure say she reach her goal. And at them thing that me I tell your dog, when you have them level there, you have to stay focused. Meds.
Tell you about the life of a queen in a this your concrete jungle. Firm in a regime, so you not go see me stumble. Mama say no come a town and mix with dirty bungle. See they know me just a rise and summarize and summer home.
Buckler, dog, yo. Me love that part. Viewer subscriber. Lila say yeah me know. The bother feel say the fame I go get to me head. She know say she a come out a concrete jungle. But here and now, she know say fi embrace or fi put herself in a more wider state, she need fi branch out. And she need fi go to Kingston or town, wherever you want to call it. But her mother keep her focus. Her mother say yeah me, do what you have to do. But make sure when you go there, sir, don't mix with certain kind of people. Don't mix with no dirty bongo. Don't mix with the kind of people them we want put you down or hold you down. You see me? So right there, so me know say Lila come from a strong home. A great mother. We protect our daughter.
Out of Christiana, yes, my left go look for mine. Never sell my soul, me settle down and take my time. Do it for the love, so naturally the light will shine. Now me realize it's by design.
Viewer subscriber. Another part more no listen deeply, dog. Cause Lila make another punch so. She say yo, out of Christianity, she go look for her thing. Stay focused and never lose her mind. Never sell her soul neither. The dog she a make you know say yo, you see as a Christian girl I grow up, she knows that she want up on a different level. She knows that she have to go branch out. But she knows that also she not have to go sleep with one whole different bag of man. Forget where she want. And at that me I try to tell her that chick here, she beautiful, she focused, and she conscious dog. And you can't get a better thing than that in a woman. And right and now me I tell her say yo, in that tune Lila punch some punch blood. Meds.
Heights of great men, reach and kept. Remember when you got there, so you not be ever left. More while you want to tell, you might have crush up like a file. Still you better go and burn.
A subscriber. When me say Lila make some punch, she make some punch, dog. She say, yo, heights of great men reach and help. When you go there, so you mustn't left. She a make you know, say, yo, dog, sometimes the road a go feel rocky. Sometimes the road a go feel rough. But hear me now, you put the work in. You reach where you're there. Stay there, so. Burn the midnight aisle. And at that, me a try tell her, say, yo, dog, that chick here, she firm, she conscious. And as someone get to you, them fi have them head pon them body.
But anytime I overcome the pressure, yeah, it free my soul. Cause God will never give me more than I can bear. So tell me when I really have to fair. When I look at where I'm going.
Viewer subscriber. Lila says she no have nothing for fear, dog. You see me? Cause she says she knows say Father God now give her more than what she can bear. And me I tell her say, yo, you remember them time that when you're there with the old people them, and you hear your grandparents them used to say more time you go through certain pain or certain kind of thing, and you hear them say, yo, God now give you more than what you can bear. And at that right and all Lila tell her say, yo, she knows say the struggle hard. She knows you a whole heap of pain. She knows you a whole heap of trial and tribulation. But she willing to take that. And she say, yo, anytime she knows that the trouble and problem did it, and once that over and done with, she knows everything good. But viewer subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say X amount of shout out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. But now say nothing more. And your boy Djstullaa 1. We out.